Oh wow, look at this. It's interesting. First time I see this tree. It's really beautiful. Oh wait, she's doing stretching. Maybe she will help me. Oh no, excuse me, like I see you do like a kind of stretching. What? Never mind. Like I see you doing like a stretching. Would you help me? Like today I wanna make a fitness. Like do this. Can you help me?
I told go away.
Why you told me go away? No. Please help me. Help me. Yeah. Like that. So I will do this. Or.
I don't understand. Go away.
What mean? Go away. Why are you so rude? Like. No. Maybe you not understand. Yeah. Like this. Yeah. So maybe I will do this. Like kind of like that. Yeah. So. Yeah. Actually, help me. How you do this? Like that? Or.
Go away. Go away. Don't understand. Go away.
No, like I need your help. Like I need help. Like maybe you will help me, huh? Or maybe we can get to know each other.
I won't be alone.
You wanna be alone, but what? Why you like became mad? Wait, what are you doing? Come on, why it's? I can't understand. Like, wait a second. She's forget those. Oh. Where is she? Man, I need to find her. Like to give it back. Oh. She really forget this. But look at this, the view. Like I don't know, guys, if you see this. Yeah, but it's good. Wait, hold a second. Oh,
Are you again?
yeah, that's me again. What's up? Like you forget? Remember? You forget this your book. Take it.
Thank you, but now go away.
Why are you so rude? Like maybe we get to know each other. So tell me, what's your name?
Go away, please.
No, I don't want to go away. I want to go to like a. So you will go away. Come on. I can't understand that. Why? What am I doing wrong? Huh? Guys, tell me, why am I doing wrong? Oh, what was that? It's so dirty. Like, oh, the concert. Wait a second. It's she. Let's make a video. Hey, I didn't remember. Let's go to the concert. Let's go. What?
Io ho da fare.
What? No, let's go to the concert.
Ho da fare, vai.
Oh, ciao. Oh, you guys. Come on, yeah, you guys. Let's go. Oh, wait, is that you? Huh? Wait a second, where are you going? Oh. Where is she? Sorry. Why is always happening this, huh? I don't know. Is this tree? My goodness, again. I found her. Wait a second. Yeah, this is I'm sorry. Yeah. Please, I know you don't want to listen to me. You always say like go away, but please, you're so beautiful. Like I want to get to know you. So what? Maybe you will give me a number.
Yes.
Number.
But you. Vai via. Basta, non ci vediamo più. Just call.
Okay, can you take off your sunglasses? Yeah, take off. I can see your eye.
Yes.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Number? Okay. Which number? Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
So call tomorrow, yeah? Oh my, but how is so difficult to talk with her, and she always like a rude, like but finally I got a number, and I hope she will Take the phone tomorrow.